Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kids Ki Pathshala. In today's video, we are going to tell you about the solar system. In just a basic way, we all know that the solar system is having one sun and 8 planets. So, if you want LKG students to learn about the names of the planet of the solar system, it is very difficult. So, me and my daughter are making it easier to make small kids remember the planets of solar system. So, let's enjoy with the kid.
One sun is 8 planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune.
This is the way I have taught my daughter to remember the names of the planets. Though she does not pronunciate Jupiter and Uranus in a proper way, but she has by-hearted the planet's name in a sequence way. So let's make our science easier than before. Let's make it more interesting than before. Whatever we are teaching to students, it will go unless they give some interest. So these interest we can create in students. And nowadays the education has become little bit more advanced than earlier. So let's make our kids more advanced. If you like the video, please share and subscribe it. Thank you. Thanks for watching.